This is a short tutorial on Discovery Education in Canvas. So the first thing you should notice is that Discovery Education should show up in your navigation bar because we have actually connected your accounts to your Canvas accounts. So to add a resource to an announcement, assignment, discussion, or even a quiz, you can click on any of those. So I'll do this as a discussion this time. For some reason, you can't embed it into a page. I'm not quite sure why this is, but I've never got it to work. If somebody figures it out, let me know. But anyway, we're going to add a resource to discussion. So I'm going to hit add discussion. I'm going to give this a title, discovery example. And then maybe I'll give it some instructions. After watching the embedded video, discuss 3 things you have learned. Obviously, you're going to want to have a much deeper question than that, but this is just for an example. So to embed the video, you go to More External Tools, which is the V, and then scroll down to Discovery Education, and it should pop up. For some reason, sometimes I have to refresh this. So I'm going to copy that so I don't have to retype that. I'm just going to reload and then go to the Discovery Education. And there you go, it pops up. And let's just say I'm doing chemical reactions and then research, and then you're going to see I found one, observing chemical reactions, and I'm going to embed that there, and then I'm going to go right there and hit V, and then you can have all of your options. You can make it graded, due dates, and all of that stuff, and give it a title again, example, and then I'm going to just hit save and publish. So that's what it looks like for you, and then they can list replies and go off there. So just like a normal. Again, you can make it an assignment, you can make it in an announcement, and you can even add resources and quizzes. Now, when students watch this, it will be on another page, and then to respond, they do have to hit the reverse button or the back button in the browser. To add to a module, you click on modules. I have a discovery example module right here, so I'll just add another one. So you go to the plus right here. Then you click external tool. So you go add external tool. And then you can go to discovery education. And there you get your keyword search. And this time I'll do balancing chemical equations. And add that there. Then you can see you're going to have some refinement here. I'll go for the high school level. This one looks great. I've explored it before, and just embed it. Then click add item, and then you'll see it's right there. And like normal, please don't forget to publish if you want the students to see that. So that's a quick overview of how to add discovery examples right from your Canvas page. Or sorry, add discovery resources right from Canvas instead of having to embed the video. Thank you. And as always, you can use the ClassLink Tech Support and Request app to get more help.